In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Zoom app crashing on Android. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and your mobile data. Then you want to simply go ahead and force stop your Zoom application and reopen it, which should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, restart your Android device, which can fix temporary glitches. And you can also simply go to settings, app Zoom, and then simply clear cache. If you don't have the latest version of the Zoom installed, simply go to your Google Play Store and update it. Always make sure that your Android updates are also up to date and also have enough storage space always. If you're using battery optimizations or low power mode, simply go ahead and turn those off. And if nothing works, try reinstalling the Zoom app. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.